ka kintin ka ong haba im ka culture im ka jat benreu alingan pen EFE ya ka wake up video mentakas. Hi everyone, di semua komen mentakas ni dan hangnya ako at Turkey tadi ka bagi kat fetaya dan hangnya ka beach menta kalong ka jaga ka kenat ka yang ni kata ndrei ka ba semua komen kalong ba ni dan hang ni jengai kumba nyo hajar spa 100 kilometer tang ba ni kwai bai khoi ka ni menta ni kwai bai nora na ka ri mo bi ni jom ni dei ban buram ni ka jom kwai reng ni ni na ka jom namar kata ka daw ka ni ka culture jom ni kala pen showbiz dot ki wei pa di ki bait kumnung bam ni kwai kumnung ni saw ka sintur kum da ta shunu ka ba fi filai tentu ya fi wa buram ni ka jom kwai batin ka jom.
I not like it, but
and action than gain.
yeah, I'll give little lime, okay? And the first few when you first don't swallow, you know, whatever water comes out. You for the first 2 times maybe you spit it out so that you don't spin your head because this is the first time you're eating, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and why this is our culture actually because we believe that this is where we build friendship.
The connection.
Yeah, the
with
connection.
people. So suppose for example, like if you come to our place in Shillong or in Meghalaya, you know, the first or if relatives comes or if our friends and family they come home, no, the first and foremost we'll offer is this one. We call it kwai.
We don't offer tea.
Yeah, this is the first thing we will offer, you know, because this is our tradition, our culture, you know, where it represents.
We believe that this is the friendship because there was a story in the. We believe that there's a story that there's a rich man and a poor man where you know they were friends and they decided to visit each other's house. But then when the poor man visits his friends, the rich person, and he give him like good meals, good food and
all that.
things like that. And then the other friend was like, next I'll come to your house to make a visit. And he's like, okay, sure. But when the day comes, he suicide. He killed himself. Because why? Because he feel bad that his friend will come. He has nothing to offer. So from then the story of you know sharing of kwai and tipong, it remarks the friendship of the friendship that doesn't matter if you're rich or you're poor, but
This can be afforded by everyone.
I shouldn't. I don't get.
That's why we do this because
Kenyan.
this everyone can afford it.
Okay.
Kwai in Turkey.
Yeah, man. Kwai in Turkey.
Kwai in Turkey.
He's a vlogger.
Cantik memang kan? Patah kau biasa uai.
I need to tarik.
Two,
Two,
2-3 times. And
Break
then
into half.
break into half and then fold this into small. And then together you chew it. Yeah, mix it. It might
It'll be
sound.
different taste, but it's okay for a while.
Don't swallow the first time you when water comes like through your mouth, no? Don't swallow. Spit it out because this is the first time for you.
Very weird taste, no, for you? For us, like this, we have this.